Hi drawing students, Miss Klocke here. So I wanted to talk to you about your work for this week. So what I need you to do is go into the weekly folder. So you're going to click on week 2 and open it up. Monday, Tuesday lesson is the first chunk you should always look at. This week is our second week of drawing, and really it's like our starting week because we didn't get much drawing work or any drawing work done last week. So what I need you to do this week is focus on just line. We're going to go to the basics of drawing, and you're going to do a bunch of practice. And by a bunch, I mean 5. So here's our first page. Ignite. Here's our overview of the week. What happens now? What do I do? How am I going to be graded? Your practice for this week is about line, as I said. You're going to look through some slides, take some notes, and complete a bunch of practice in your sketchbook. When all your practices are completed, you're going to submit photographs of your work and a reflection. So the directions are here for this. After you look at this page, you can go to the next page in our Schoology group, or maybe not. Here we go. So the next part, or next page, is the chunk. This is where I have all the examples of the drawing assignments. So the first exercise, I think we maybe went past it. We're going to go back one more assignment. Actually, I'll click right here, and that will make it simpler for us. Okay, so Ignite, getting started, overview of the week. Here is the first page that I need you to look at. Chunk, line quality notes and exercise 1. So there is a recording of me talking through the notes and telling you about the images and what I want you to look at. And then the second to last slide explains the line quality doodle page. And there's an example down here, so you can check that out and complete that work. And then the last chunk, excuse me, it's your chew section. This is the rest of your exercises. So you have 5 exercises for the week. So number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. If exercise 5 is something you're familiar with, you've done before, I encourage you to try amping it up a little and doing something more as an optical illusion, so test that out. I know many of you are in different places for your drawing experience than the last time you had a drawing class, so if a lot of this is review for you, be patient. There will be more challenging things to come. This is just where we want to start so everyone has the same basic information. So this is all the practice work for your week in your Monday, Tuesday folder. And then if we go back out to the week, if you click on your Wednesday, Thursday folder, this is where you're going to submit your work. So all the practices, when they're all done, you're going to photograph that work and you're going to submit it to me in one big notability note. And the directions for that are here. I have some slides on how to photograph your work well, especially since everything is digital and I'm not actually in a classroom with you watching you draw. I really want to see clear images, so check that out. Here's our list of line drawing practices for the week. Here is a video that shows you how to crop and rotate and straighten images in your camera app or in your photo app. And then here is the rubric for what will be turned in. It's really important when you write your reflection that you talk about your most successful drawings so that I can give you more credit for that, and then also so I can give you more feedback about where you're headed and what we're doing. So this is your whole week in an overview. please email me if you have questions.